Let's talk about something every tech startup has, but nobody wants to admit: technical debt. It's your company's dirty laundry. We once got an email that our entire mobile platform would be unsupported in 8 months. That's technical debt coming due, and it is terrifying. You need to manage technical debt. Give it regular attention. Don't lose track of the other lanes in your development highway. Planned upgrades as part of your development cadence is important. And code and system documentation are also extremely important. We had to rewrite millions of lines of code while supporting 200 plus customers. It was either that or watch our platform die. Prevention is better. Still, we use the crisis as an opportunity to elevate our platform. Never waste a good crisis. Stay current. Monitor and understand your dependencies. Plan for things to break. And document everything. Watch for aging platforms that no one understands in your company, declining system performance and customer support, and the declining ability to innovate and meet the market. Now let's talk about getting into adjacent markets. Easy, right? Not so fast.